Hello everybody, welcome to Step Up Lives. Today's video is a little special because we will talk about a career in data analytics for people who are coming from the non-tech background itself. If you are someone who's looking to transform your career and get into data analytics as a career, this is the best opportunity for you when you are looking for a job assistance program via Inueron that is coming up from Krishna. He's someone who has created a lot of interesting programs as well as which have helped a lot of students get their career switches as well as high paying jobs as business analytics as well as data analysts. So let's quickly get on to the bootcamp information, which is also talking about something like as job assistance program. Be with us till the end of the video. You'll find all links in the description, so don't worry on that part. That data analytics is going to be one topic which is going to be the next big thing in the area of IT as well as software development. Let's quickly get on to the topic that is for today, which is talking about full stack data analytics bootcamp from Inueron. What's going to be the fees? Fees is 4,000. You can enroll now with the link in the description. The programs are 8 to 11 p.m. Saturday, Sunday. Course material, on-demand recorded videos, practical exercises, assignments, course completion will be provided, and a job assistance certificate as well as program is provided to you. Let's quickly look into it. This program is actually helping you to get to placements with this complete bootcamp. What is important is that you need to satisfy a certain amount of category of rules and regulations where the job assistance will be provided to you. Remote internship is also available and needs to be availed by the candidate to get into the job assistance kind of criterias. The roles that are offered after this course are data analyst, business analyst, and business intelligence developer. Let's quickly get back to the course information that is there and what are the things, what are the courses or the details of this course. What you will learn is statistics, basics of Power BI, working with maps, cards, filters, Power Queries, Tableau, SQL, Python, and advanced Excel. That will help you get into the domains of data analytics. If you are someone who's non-tech but want to pursue this career of data analytics, you just need internet connection, your interest to learn, and some dedication at this point. If you look at the course curriculum, you can also see the preview video. When you click here, you will get a complete video that you will be able to go on and understand. And then you can get into the other syllabus informations which are related to statistics, talking about basics of Power BI, working with maps, and topics related to tables or matrix of Power BI. And this has been designed and executed by Krishna, who has 10 plus years of experience in data analytics and product architecture. Jayant Topnani is also part of this development. So what I would suggest to you is that click on the link in the description, look at the job assistance program also which is associated, which I just showed you right now. Just check this out because I feel data analytics is going to be the future, and if you have those skills which I just mentioned about SQL, Power BI, and advanced Excel, this will definitely make you more employable in the upcoming years. Do not forget to like this video and comment your thoughts and share this video with as many people as possible. If you like such content, then definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much and bye bye.